Wondering if WhatsApp Business is right for you? Then you're in the right place. Today, we'll walk you through the different types of WhatsApp Business solutions so you can choose the one that fits you best. WhatsApp Business isn't the same as the regular WhatsApp you use every day. It's designed to separate business and personal communication, give your business an official presence, and provide tools designed specifically for customer interactions. Now, there are two types of WhatsApp Business solutions: the WhatsApp Business app and the WhatsApp Business API. Which one is right for your business? It all comes down to your company's size and messaging needs. The WhatsApp Business app is perfect for small businesses looking to communicate with customers. It helps you manage chats more efficiently with features like quick replies and automated welcome and away messages. You can use the app on one phone and link it up to 4 additional devices through WhatsApp Business Web. Unlike the app, WhatsApp Business API doesn't have a built-in interface. You'll need to connect it to a customer conversation management platform like Respond.io to send and receive messages. This connection enables automation for lead qualification, chat routing, AI-enhanced responses, and faster replies from agents, making it perfect for medium to large businesses that need multiple users for marketing, sales, and support. Setting up a WhatsApp Business app account is simple. All you need is a phone with a SIM or eSIM. Once you've got that, just download the WhatsApp Business app and you're ready to start messaging customers. The API, on the other hand, offers two options: on-premises API and cloud API. Check out this table for the key differences. If you're looking for a hassle-free way to access WhatsApp API, working with a business solution provider is your best bet. They'll guide you through the setup process and offer ongoing support. Now that you know the types of WhatsApp Business accounts available, let's look at the pricing for each. It all depends on the account type you choose. WhatsApp Business app is free, but for WhatsApp API, costs depend on the hosting method. With the on-premises API, BSPs charge additional fees for setup and maintenance on top of WhatsApp's per conversation charges. The cloud API, however, is typically more affordable, with BSPs adding little to no markup on WhatsApp-related charges. For a detailed breakdown, check out the blog link in the description below. The type of WhatsApp Business solution you choose impacts how you can message customers. The WhatsApp Business app has fewer messaging limitations compared to the WhatsApp API, which comes with specific rules on the types of messages and content you can send. With the Business app, you can send unlimited free messages in any format and reach out to customers first if you have their phone number. The API has restrictions based on WhatsApp's conversation-based pricing. Service conversations occur when businesses respond to user-initiated messages within a 24-hour customer service window. When businesses respond after the 24-hour window, they are charged for business-initiated conversations, and message templates are required. These templates must be approved by WhatsApp before you can send them. For broadcast messaging, the WhatsApp Business app allows you to send any form of content up to 256 contacts at a time. Meanwhile, with the WhatsApp API, you can reach a larger audience but must use pre-approved templates for non-transactional notifications. These include updates, reminders, and promotional messages, all of which require prior customer consent. WhatsApp takes a strong stance against businesses spamming customers. Any messages involving illegal products, services, or third-party infringements can lead to your account being banned. And trust us, with over 2 billion users worldwide, WhatsApp is a platform you want to be on. If you think that WhatsApp API is the right fit for your business, why not get started with Respond.io? We can guide you through the process and improve your customer conversations. Click on the link below to get started. Don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe, and keep the conversation going on Respond.io.